Let me ask you a slightly strange question. If someone right now typed your YouTube account name in a video title, or in a video description, or even in a comment, could your name appear as if you were connected to that video, even if that video is something you've never watched before? The surprising thing is that there's a very small setting inside YouTube that allows anyone to mention your account in videos or comments without asking you. And what's even stranger is that this setting is enabled by default for most people. In this video, I'll show you exactly where this setting is and how you can prevent anyone from using your account name anywhere on YouTube. Let's take a look. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Tap on it. At the top of the screen, you'll see the gear icon, Settings. Tap on it. Scroll down a little, and you'll find a section called Privacy. Tap on it. You'll find a setting called Allow People to Mention You. This setting is enabled by default. Simply turn this button off. Once you turn it off, anyone who tries to mention your account in this way won't be able to do it. This feature is not dangerous in the sense of hacking, but the issue with it is that your name could appear in places you may not want to be associated with. That's why many people prefer to turn this setting off. Finally, tell me in the comments if you knew about this setting on YouTube or not, and what you decided to do. Did you turn it off or leave it enabled? And if you feel this information could help other people, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Because in the next video, I'll show you another YouTube setting that could completely change how you appear on the platform without you even realizing it. See you in the next video.